Hello everyone. I Dr. Pritika Bahad from Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science welcome you all to Prestige Institute of Engineering Management and Research online lecture series as a part of AD 801 Big Data course. In today's session we will discuss on desired properties of big data system. The content that we are going to cover includes big data system and the desired properties for a big data system. A big data system is designed to store, process and analyze large volume of structured, semi-structured and unstructured data in an efficient manner. Why it is important to have these desired properties? To ensure efficiency, reliability and security of data, to have decision to be generated from the system in a timely manner. It should support scalability as data grows exponentially. So desired properties of big data system include scalability, fault tolerance, high availability, low latency, flexibility, security and privacy, and cost effectiveness. A good big data system must have the property of scalability, which says that it should have the ability to handle increasing data volumes effectively and efficiently without performance issues. There are two classes of scalability as horizontal scalability and vertical scalability. In horizontal scalability, we add more machines to the cluster, whereas in vertical scaling, we enhance the capability of a single centralized system. For example, Google processes petabytes of search queries daily by dynamically scaling its infrastructure. Another property is fault tolerance, which says that the system should be able to continue functioning despite of hardware or software failure. It uses data replication to prevent data loss. At the same time, it uses distributed framework to ensure tasks are automatically re-executed on failures. For example, Amazon Web Services ensure data reliability through multi-region redundancy. It says that the same data is stored at different locations. Another property is high availability. The system remains operational with minimal downtime. For this, they use load balancing and redundant data storage. It ensures that the data access even during system failure. For example, Netflix stores data across multiple cloud servers to ensure uninterrupted streaming. The next property is low latency. This property says that the system must have the capability to process, retrieve data quickly for real-time decision making. For this, a big data system must use in-memory computing and it should use distributed processing to reduce delays. For example, stock trading platforms require millisecond level latency for high frequency trading. The next property is related to the different data formats. A big data system must be flexible so that it can support different file formats. It can handle different types of data. It may be text, image, video, or IoT sensor data. It should have the capability to have schema on read approach for flexibility. For example, social media platform process user generated content including text, images and videos. The foremost important property that is desirable for a big data system is security and privacy, which says that data must be protected from unauthorized access, breaches, and cyber threats. For this, a system must have a good encryption, authorization, and role based access facility. It should have compliance with GDRS and other data regulatories. For example, banking system use multi-layer encryption to protect customer transactions. Another important desired property of a big data system is cost effectiveness. It optimizes resource utilization and infrastructure cost. It says that to use cloud computing to reduce on-premise hardware cost. Also, it should have a support for pay-as-you-go models for budget-friendly scaling. Startups nowadays use Google Cloud and AWS to scale their operations without heavy investment in their physical server. So, what we have learned in today's session, the desired properties of a big data system, the books that you can follow for further reading. In the next session, we will discuss on Hadoop